Help, my tractor won't run. Yeah, we've all heard that. So I've got a new Holland T1510. Ran fine, parked it here, turned the key. The starter rattled, solenoid trying to kick in and out. So I cleaned the battery terminals and cables and charged it for an hour. Same thing, no problem, like add a low battery. So I bought a new battery. Put a new battery in, charged it. Same thing, crap, I just bought a new battery I didn't need. So I go to the starter and make a jumper wire from the solenoid to the positive post, and engine cranks over, turn the key to on, do it again, engine fires up and runs. So the battery, cable, solenoid, starter motor, everything's good. But when you hook it up right and turn the key, the solenoid won't stay in. It keeps kicking in and out. So we look in the operator's manual, and in the lubrication and maintenance section, find the electrical schematic. It says there's a safety start relay. Google, where is it? AI says there is not one, it doesn't exist. So I tear apart the whole freaking thing looking for it. Where is this thing? Looking around. There's the safety controller, flasher, fuse box. Down there on the bottom, that little tiny black box, that is the starter relay. New Holland's price on it is $47. You can find it on Amazon for $19. Amazon lady dropped it off a couple hours ago, plugged it in, and it fires right up. Got everything tore apart. Now I gotta put this back together. So I'm gonna set this down here. So, back now. Sorry, phone shut off when I set it down. Okay, I've got the brake set. It's in neutral, PTO's off, everything. With the brake set, you don't have to be in the seat. So I'm gonna push on the clutch, turn the key, get up the glow plugs. I'm gonna set the phone down. Hopefully it won't turn off again. Here we go. So clutch is in. Turn the key, heat up the glow plugs. There we go. So the tractor works. I was going to bypass it because I couldn't find that relay. Where are we at here? So I went on Amazon and I found some 40 amp relays. You get a whole box of them, 5 for $19 or whatever. They got delivered, got it wired in. I was just going to take the positive and or the control wire and run it through the clutch, so at least we had part of the safety system in there. But with the new relay, and it works, I got looking at the schematic, and the power for the solenoid runs through the key switch. So instead I'm going to take the white wire from the solenoid. It powers the new relay, and the relay takes 12 volts off of the positive stud there to the relay on a white wire back to the solenoid. Tied it all up, tried to keep everything neat and clean. There's your 40 amp main power fuse. Anyways, that's it. Hope this helps somebody if your tractor won't start. Have a good day.